Elizabeth Cruz point of view. Napakuyom ako ng kamao sa narinig at kaagad na kumulo ang dugo ko sa galit. Pati ba naman bata ay papatulan niya? Makikita mo, makikita mo. Kinabukasan na may company party at invited ang lahat kaya naman siguradong naroon si Godric. Papasok pa lang ako nang may humintong kotse sa harapan ng bahay namin. Nagpapasalamat akong wala ng tao sa bahay kung hindi ay sangkatutak na tanong ang aabutin ko. Bumaba ang driver at may kinuhang isang malaking kahon sa loob at ibinigay sa akin. Elizabeth Cruz? Tanong niya. Oo. Nangingimi kong tanong. Ano po ito? Nagtataka kong tanong habang nakatingin sa kahon. Ngunit tinanggap naman ito. Padala ni Mr. Villatera. May note siya sa loob at pakibasa na lang ha. Sige. Sabi niya at umalis na at naiwan akong nakanganga. Ibinaba ko ang kahon sa mesa sa hardin at maging ang bag ko ay tiningnan ang laman ng kahon. Napasingap ako nang makita ko ang isang napakagandang pulang damit. Kinuha ko ang sulat na kasama at binasa. Dearest Beth, wear this tonight. This isn't a request but an order as your boss and I'm not giving you any chance to refuse. Show up wearing this or do not come at all. GV. Ha? Hindi ako makapaniwala sa nabasa ko. Napaka-arogante niya talaga. Nakasimangot kong sabi sa aking sarili. Muli akong tumingin sa magandang dress. Sige, susundin ko ang gusto mo. But be ready for your surprise. Napangisi ako at ibinalik ang sulat sa dress. Pagkatapos ay itinago sa kwarto namin ni Sky na walang makakakita. Godric Villatera's point of view. I glared at two people laughing while talking inside the office. Beth and Skirt. My Beth. Halos madurog na ang mga ngipin ko at ang pangako sa galit na nararamdaman ko. Selos? Bakit ako magsiselos? Galit? Oo. She has no right to be happy with someone after what she did to me. No other man shouldn't make her laugh. No other man has the right to touch her. So I did what I thought was right. I fired him. Scratch that. I transferred him to M&V. Tanda ko pa isang hapon na makatanggap ako ng isang private chat from her. Bakit mo yon ginawa? Did what? Bakit mo tinanggal si Skirt na walang dahilan? Wala naman siyang ginagawa at isa siya sa mga tapat mong manggagawa. Let's get one thing straight, Miss Cruz. Sino man ang tanggalin ko ay wala kang pakialam dahil kumpanya ko ito at empleyado ko siya. I can fire you for even questioning that, you know. Then do it. I clenched my fist sa sagot niya. Mula noon hanggang ngayon ay talagang palaban na siya. Isinara ko ang chat box at pinatay ang computer. What would I do that? Hindi ko na ipaparamdam sa iyo lahat ng pinaramdam mo sa akin noon. As I was hanging out in F&I, one particular redhead girl caught my eye. It's like looking at someone you used to know in the past. She looks exactly like Elizabeth when she was with me, when we were together, when we were young. Lumapit ako sa kanya at pinakatitigan siya. Hindi nga ako niloloko lang ng isip ko dahil parang doppelganger siya ni Elizabeth. Hey, agaw pansin ko sa kanya. Tumigil siya sa pagsayaw kasama ng mga kaibigan niya at lumingon sa akin. She gave me a look from head to toe and smiled. She does not look that young at siguradong nasa tamang edad na siya dahil bawal ang minor sa club. Hello, you look familiar, I said. She giggled and twirled a strand of her hair. Pick-up line ba yan? No, I was wondering, what is your name? Sky Cruz. Pagpapakilala niya at inilahad niya ang kamay niya at tinanggap ko naman ito. Cruz. Tama nga ang hinala ko. This girl is Beth's younger sister. I went to pull away, but she squeezed my hand. Oh, this girl's a bit bold. Sige. She gave me her number and I accepted it. Pero dahil lang sa natuwa ako sa kanya, inaya ko siya isang beses na lumabas. Pero bilang magkaibigan lang. She reminds me so much of the girl I love and I adored so much. I was very fond of Sky. But then after a few meetings, she confessed that she likes me. Noong una naman ay alam kong may tama na siya sa akin, pero hindi ko yun sineseryoso. What did I do? I turned her down as gently as I could, pero hindi niya yun naiintindihan. Days after the day of the party came, taunan ko itong idinaraos bilang tagumpay ng kumpanya. Ang tagumpay ng kumpanya ay tagumpay ng lahat, kaya naman isa rin yung may tuturing na day off para sa lahat. I contacted my friend who's a stylist for a dress days before and it arrived yesterday. Nang makita ko ito ay napangiti ako at agad na ipinadala kay Elizabeth. Excited to see her wearing the gown. Night of the party came at marami ng tao sa paligid, galing sa iba't ibang department. Jasper also came with his wife. Man, how's Stella doing? Tanong niya habang nakatayo kami. Exhausting. Tipid kong sagot sabay inom ng brandy. Matapos lang to ay pupunta ako ng France, I swear. I chuckled at him and gave him a toast. He laughed and shook his head. I know, we've been working for weeks now at malapit na ang presentation. Kapag ito hindi naging successful ay magwawala ako. Careful, Christine might throw you out of the bedroom. I teased him, pertaining to his wife. Hindi yan, masyado niyang mahal ang Jasper Jr. ko para paalisin ako sa kwarto. Natatawa niya sabi, Dude, TMI. Biro ko sa kanya at sabay kaming nagtawanan. TMI your face. Kung hindi pa araw-araw yata ibang babae ang kinakama mo. Nagpapatest ka pa ba, dude? Pangasar niya. Sinuntok ko siya sa braso sa sinabi niya. Sira ulo. Regular ako nagpapatest at hindi naman araw-araw. Exaggerated ka masyado. Oh, I forgot. You like those redhead women, huh? Reminds you of a certain person? It is with a raised brow. I snorted and looked away. Shut up. What? It's true? Sa palagay mo ba ang tirahin silang lahat ay siyang magiging dahilan para kalimutan mo siya? Hindi. Tinitira ko sila para maalala ko kung ano nga bang ginawa ng redhead na yon sa akin. Pag-amin ko sa sapantahan niya. He looked past me and smirked before sipping from his glass. And speaking of redheads, here she comes. I turned my head and saw her. And wow! Marga never fails to amaze me as I look at how stunning Elizabeth is, wearing Marga's blood-red gown with her curves in the right places. How I want to trace that body with my hand. How I want to feel her body against mine once again. I miss the feeling of her soft body against mine. You will be mine again, Elizabeth. Just wait and see. You can never avoid me. I thought as she stopped in front of me, I opened my mouth to tell her how gorgeous she is. But my head suddenly snapped to the side and I felt my left cheek burning from her punch. Grabe. Malalakas na pagsinghap at bulungan ang namayani sa buong venue. Hinimas ko ang nagiinit kong pisngi. Wala akong naramdamang sakit pero sigurado ako namumula pa rin ito. I glared at the woman in front of me who has the guts to punch me. The Godric Villaterra, the man of the hour, in front of these people. Ito ang huling beses ko itong sasabihin. Layuan mo ang kapatid ko at wag na wag mo siyang kakantiin. She warned with full of anger in her eyes that should make her look scary. But she looks so hot to me right now. I raised my eyebrow at her, daring her to do it again. But she just glared at me one last time before she walked away. My eyes followed her retreating body. I grinned as I watched her sexy little ass walk away from me. It's funny that she thought that I would do what she said. You don't know what you have done, my little vixen, I said as I followed her. I will show you how to properly use that hand of yours. Nang makalabas sa event room ay nakita ko siyang naglalakad palayo. Oh no, Beth. Not this time. I went after her and gripped her arm in my hand. Hinila ko siya pasakay sa elevator at kahit na anong protesta niya ay wala siyang nagawa. Isinandal ko siya sa gilid at hinarang mga kamay sa magkabilang gilid ng ulo niya. No one hurts me and gets away with it. I'll show you how to properly use that hand of yours, Beth. I breathed out her name and she shivered against me. Itutuloy.